Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the PNG Onesie Mockup with a transparent background in Pixlr. First, go to pixlr.com in any web browser. That's pixlr.com. It'll give you a couple of options, so we're going to click on the Playful Pixlr X version. Then on the left side you'll see a button that says Open Image, so we want to click on Open Image. And then find the PNG Onesie Mockup. So it's going to give us this message that says pre-resized image. We don't want to size it down, so we'll just click on the original to open the original size. And then to add our graphics and background, we want to look at these icons on the left side. And the bottom one, when you hover over it, it says Add Image. So click on that bottom icon, then click on Browse to open up the graphics and background off your computer. We'll do the graphic first, so we'll just click on the graphic, and it's going to give us this option to create a new document or add it as a layer to the current document. We'll add it to the current document by clicking Add Current, and it might be a little bit bigger than we want it to be, so to fix that we're just going to click on any of the four corners and hold down the Shift key to keep it proportional, and then just drag in to size it down. And once we've got it sized down, we'll just click on it and kind of hover over the graphic until we see this 4-arrow tool pop up, and then we'll just drag it in place. And I'm pressing Command plus to zoom in. On a PC it would be Control plus. Now to add our backgrounds, we want to go to Browse again. Then we want to find our background. And it's going to give us the same Open Image message where it asks if we want to create a new document or add it to the current. We'll click Add Current. Okay, and it's going to think for a second. If it adds the layer to the top layer, you just want to change the order of the layers in the Layers panel. So to do that, first double click this little lock icon in the bottom layer to make sure that the bottom layer isn't locked. Once that's unlocked, you can just click on the top layer and just drag it underneath so that it's a background now. And that's pretty much all there is to editing the PNG Onesie Mockup with a transparent background. When you're done, you can just click this Save button here at the bottom. It's going to give you several options for saving it. So to use it as a thumbnail, like on Etsy, you'll want to save a JPEG version. I would change the quality to 100 and make sure it's set on high, and then just click Download. And it's going to let you know that the image was saved to the default download folder on your device. It's going to give you an option to change the folder where the files get saved. If you'd also like a layered Pixlr document, you can click Save again, and then click on PXD, and then click Download again, and it will save the Pixlr document in your Downloads folder as well. And once it's done doing that, it'll just let you know it was downloaded and saved to the default download folder, and it'll give you the option once again to change where files get saved. So please let me know if you have any questions by messaging me at melissabmockups.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll get updates on future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.